How to log out from Tubi account. To log out of your Tubi account, simply follow these steps. First of all, open your preferred web browser and tap on the search address bar and type down tubitv.com and navigate to its official website. Also, make sure that you are logged into your Tubi TV account. Once done so, simply tap on the profile icon available at the top right corner of your screen, and from there a drop-down menu will appear. Now from the drop-down menu, scroll down and look for the Logout option available there and simply tap on the Logout. A confirmation page will appear on your screen. Then simply tap on the Logout again and your account will be successfully logged out. Logging out will end your current session, and if you have multiple devices connected to your Tubi account and wish to log out from all of them, you may need to change your password or contact Tubi support for assistance. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.